sún olùfẹ́ kó sì má sinmi.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.
sún olùfẹ́ kó sì má sinmi orílẹ̀ àyà olùgbàlà rẹ̀ a fẹ́ ọ ṣùgbọ́n Jésù fẹ́ ọ jù. súnre súnre súnre. tó ọlọ́gbẹ́ni ọ̀sẹ̀ ọdẹ bus stop rẹ báyìí o, ibi tí gbogbo rẹ̀ parí sí òun náà rèé o, ẹsẹ̀ mẹ́fà. Ṣàngó òde tó gbé sílé tó pè láyà, ibi tó bá ọdẹ rèé, ọ ti kọ́ ọ láyà jẹ, ọmọ wọn gbọ́n jìnnìjìnnì yóò mọ gbó bí ajá báǹkì tí ó gbó mánéjà tí ó gbó tẹ́là tí ó gbó kọ́sítọ́mà. òun rèé o, gbogbo rẹ̀ lọ sí ń pa mọ́ra. ọ lọ ibi iṣẹ́ àbọ̀ jáde òde, ọ̀pẹ́ dédé ẹ̀ báyìí ọmọ ọgbọ̀n ni, torí ọgbọ́dọ̀ pe màdámù kọ́ ọmọ bẹ̀ sí bẹ̀bẹ̀ 60 kìlómítà sílé rẹ̀, bóyá inú rẹ̀ ó rọ̀ kó tó dé kó lè ráyè wọlé pàbí kó lè ráyè gbé. ẹbí rẹ̀ ò lè wá ọ wá, ìyá rẹ̀ àfi kọ́kọ́ mẹ́mọ̀ kó tó yọjú, bàbá rẹ̀ àwọn àbúrò rẹ̀ àbọ̀ onílé rẹ̀ ló ṣe jẹ́ lílọ fún wọn. àwọn ẹbí tí ẹnìkan náà, àwọn náà ní visa tí wọ́n fi wọlé nígbà tó bá wù wọ́n. ọ̀ráyè rẹ̀ báyìí, gbogbo àwọn tó yẹ kó ṣe ọ́ láǹfààní ló ti lé lọ lára rẹ̀. ọbí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ọ̀lẹ́ tọ̀tẹ̀ lè gbọ́mọ́ níbi tó wà yìí. ṣùgbọ́n bóyá tiẹ̀ yóò kọ́ àwọn ẹlòmíì lọ́gbọ́n, bóyá yóò kọ́ wọn lọ́gbọ́n. oníkálùkù ti bìlà sẹ́yìn fún rẹ̀, ọwọ́ ń pa mọ́ra, kíní ọ̀hún ń pa ọ́ díẹ̀díẹ̀. wọ́n ń pe àwọn ní domestic violence òtètè bọ́sítà kó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ní number 1 nínú wọn. ego ò lè jẹ́ kó o sọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkùnrin, ṣùgbọ́n ọkú díẹ̀ títí tí àwọn fi di báyìí. rìsọ́ọ̀tì wáyé kí ara òkè ní ọ̀lẹ́ mọ́ yìí o. ẹ̀yin tó kù tẹ̀sí wà bóyá ẹ̀ẹ́kẹ̀kọ̀ ọkọ̀ kan dandan. ìgbéyàwó dáa, ṣùgbọ́n èyí tí ó bá gbẹ̀mí rẹ bá ẹsẹ̀ rẹ sọ̀rọ̀, yàrá rẹ ń bírèmì, bọ́ọ̀lù ilé jẹ́ ó lé ọ. ayé nù wọn, ilé ayé kú bíntín báyìí ni, àìmọye irú yín báyìí. ìkànnì lọ ti lọ tó kókó jífà, ọlọ́run ó jẹ́ ẹ gbọ́. ké síta jẹ́ ọmọ tí ń ṣe ọ́, ṣùgbọ́n bẹ́sẹ̀ rẹ sọ̀rọ̀ bí o bá ṣe é ṣe. ọ̀rẹ́ o.
So it was all my fault all along. The strife among my seeds and their father, a devil-may-care architect of my pains. The battle was fought and won, but not without casualty. Bisi, my daughter, was caught on the wrong side of the battle line. But I still had a cause to be thankful. From this all, however, I took a lesson. Living kindly now saves us from tears in a future unseen.
Do you two know each other?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Dim.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
Those days the sky so blue. Remember when we played games.
Hi,
And the world
I'm Tiffany. My husband friend. How could you be married to him?
You really loved her, didn't you?
I've been in love with her for almost half of my life.
Why will your husband be angry?
Yes, we'll do that too.
You should go. She's been doing well without you anyway.
She hurt me. Dude, she was the one who ruined what we had.
You both should shake hands because you both are now partners.
I'm so sorry.
You went back to him!
Sorry, stop, please stop.
You should have just said that you love me.
I could have made a
You
difference!
would have said that word. Don't you get it?
With me.
Time of her life. Brands eat this shit up.
What, wouldn't it seem like we're using her?
How are we so sure she's not trying to use you? I mean, you're the famous one at the end of the day. You're almost like the hero. Bang. Where do we start? Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
I don't understand. So let me see my husband come and they ask you.
Surprise.
I had a shitty day. Everyone has a shitty day. What's wrong with me? Can shit him? You are the reason for the shit. What is wrong with you? What's your problem?
Clearly a mad person. Just forget about it.
In the early hours of this morning, the latest victim of a vicious kidnapper, whose identity we're yet to uncover, escaped from the house where she had been held hostage for the past 6 weeks.
So, what do we know? Absolutely nothing.
We know a lot about how he carries out his operations, but absolutely nothing about the man.
Who be that?
Who you be?
Elik.
We don't know where he lives, if he's married, if he has kids.
You're my biggest inspiration on the force. I just want to learn. I want to learn from the best.
These ruthless kidnappers have terrorized Lagos for the past few years.
You try him. Open the door.
Collecting a minimum of $1 million from each of the hostage.
I think there's something we're missing because no one can be that careful. We have some questions in relation to an ongoing investigation. What did be that?
This morning, I announced a reward of 35 million naira to anyone who comes forward with information that leads to the capture of these criminals.
Now, guy, I will spark you up! You don't do anything! Kill him, man!
Calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down.
All officers in Unit 2 be at alert. The chairman is in the area. I repeat, the chairman is in the area.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.